Hey guys, it's your girl Tina here. Today I'm excited to take you on a tour of my apartment in Seoul, Junggu district, which is known for its central location and proximity to many tourist attractions. In fact, it's just a short distance away from Myeongdong, Namsan Tower, Gyeongbokgung Palace, and Namdaemun Market. Like most Korean homes, the entryway is usually where guests take their shoes off, and then up here is more part of the home, so this is where the shoes go. In this place is actually a lot of storage, so you know, if you have a lot of shoes, you'd love this space. We don't even use all of it. There's also a full-length mirror, so you can look at yourself before you head out. All this is storage. Clearly I didn't pack enough shoes. Down the hallway is the kitchen and living area. This living area is really open and spacious. It also has a nice view here. It looks really nice at night because you can see all the city lights and the buildings. I love the color of this sofa, this dusty, muted pink. It's very, very my color. Have you guys watched it? We're watching it now. At first glance, this might look like your ordinary built-in TV cabinet, but come, there's a secret. There's a door in here. It leads to Narnia. No, I'm kidding. This is a little storage area and where we hang our clothes. This is the kitchen area. Again, I love that it's really spacious, and this kitchen island here doubles as a dining table. So this has been where we've been eating. One of the unusual things I've noticed is that the owner decided to put tennis balls on all the legs of the chairs, including the ones in the bedrooms. So I guess in a way I appreciate that because it's very quiet, doesn't scratch the tiles. I don't know what kind of fridge this is. I don't know what brand it is, but I really like this feature about it. You press a button and it opens. And it closes. We didn't know this until like a couple of days after our stay. We were like yanking the door fridge like plebs, you know, who does that nowadays? Excuse our fridge. It's a bit odd looking at the moment. Ta-da! Also makes a really good noise. Ding, 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 ding. On this side, we have our little rice cooker nook that pulls out. So when I cook rice, I can just put it here. And then when I'm not using it, I can push it and store it away. So I really like that. Oh, I feel like I like everything in this house. The sink, the size of this sink compared to what we have back in Singapore, our one just looks very pitiful, okay? So this is like a very, very long, deep sink. And can you just see like the little hole here? It has a lid that you can put there. It's so big. Here in Korea, they're very strict about how they dispose their waste. So food waste is separated, and then recycling, bottles, paper, and all that. Each thing goes in different bins. And with the food waste, here, this little contraption thing collects it, and then it goes into a little bin like this for the food waste. And then once this is full, we actually dump it into a machine and it grinds it all together. But yeah, I thought that was very different. We don't really do that back at home. There's also a little wine fridge here that we don't really use, but that's nice to have, you know, very fancy. And behind me, through this door, is the laundry. I asked Alfred what's his favorite thing about the house, and it's actually the lights. They're very big and he calls it heavenly light. Here we have the common bathroom. This is a pretty standard bathroom. It's got the bath, shower, vanity, the toilet of course. Let me show you one of the bedrooms. Can you guess whose bedroom this is? If you guys guess Zen, you are correct. This is her bedroom. What you see is what you get, guys. It's a nice cozy room. This room, it's got like a more airy, bright ambience compared to the other bedrooms. And it's got a little study desk, your nooks and storage. One of the unique features of this room is this here, the power unit. Because we're using an adapter, it kind of falls off because in Korea they only use the 2-prong plug. Not very intact, you know, not very secure. It tends to drop off. Hence why she's put the little bin under to stabilize and keep it in place. Round of applause. Innovation at its finest. This is the second bedroom where my mum is staying. Similar layout to the other one, except this one's got more of like a dark vibe. I want to highlight my mum's choice of decor here. This came with the apartment, but she took the little vinaigrette on the flight here and has chosen to use it as decor. This is the master bedroom. It's kind of like our half office space where we work and, you know, edit emails and whatnot. And then we've got our bed. This is also Lila's bed. In the mornings when Lila wakes up, what do you normally do, Lila? She normally stands here and then she opens up the blinds to wake us up. And you stand there and enjoy the view. Yeah? Yeah. Alfred just discovered that this bed actually has USB points in it so you can charge your phone, and there's one on each side, so very thoughtful. There's quite a nice view from this bedroom. We can see a little stadium over here, and then further down it looks like it's a school. Here's where I get ready in the morning. It's a nice little vanity nook. I also do my skincare here, and it's got like, you can change the lights as well. So if you want it warmer or if you want it cool, you can adjust it. Behind me is a little walk-in wardrobe. So it just opens up. Let me turn the lights on. Cam. Now, it's not the biggest walk-in wardrobe ever, but I don't have a walk-in wardrobe in Singapore, so I'm very happy with the size of this. And plus, it's not all my clothes I need to fit in here, so we're good. There's also a full-length mirror so I can check myself when I get dressed and see if I'm good for the day. And then there's a secret door that nobody knows about. Do you guys want to see what's inside? It's the aircon units. Here is the little ensuite. I feel like it's a pretty good size, not like Japan. The size of this is actually decent, and there's a shower. We have Lila's baby bathtub in there. I love the rain shower in here. I can see myself. Say hi to Zen, she's helping me film. I want to show you this like cool little function of this area. You can actually put your phone on top when you do your business, you know, and you need a wipe, you can just put your phone down there. I think that's what it's for. My phone's a little bit big. It's like living on the edge.
Overall, I've been really enjoying my stay here in this apartment. It really does have everything I need. It's modern, has high-end finishes, and the location is super convenient. There's lots of food and restaurants nearby. Plus, I can do my grocery shopping at a huge supermarket nearby. I especially love cooking in the kitchen. That's it for this tour. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more content in Korea. That's it from me. I'll speak to you guys next time. Bye! Ba-dum-bum.